So you guys can record this now, so we have it on the session. Okay, so one thing that I do want to cover with you guys in relation to Basecamp. So yesterday we talked a lot about Basecamp and how Basecamp is used and looked at. I want to give you guys tips about how to interact and how you can help each other in Basecamp and how you should be dealing with your tasks. So for example, if I go into role spot where Ants and Umir or whoever is working, so I look at all the tasks here that is there, okay? Now, once you finish a task, for example, once you say, okay, say for example, this particular task is finished, you have to press into the task, or you have to press, okay, you're finished, you have to press edit. If Sana is not there, she is not part of this task. She should not be there until she's finished, okay? So she should not be here. So it should be here like so. Like these people are on this task. That's it. Save there. Once you guys have, this is all the tasks. Once it is finished, okay, for example, let's say you guys finish this task. Ants, Umir, you finish this task. Once you guys have finished this task, Umir, if you finish and Ants is still continuing, you must remove yourself, and by pressing here, you must remove yourself so Ants knows it's only on him that this task is remaining. Or if it's time to remove yourself and it is on someone else, please remove yourself and put the next person. So if that is Sana, like remove that and put Sana. Okay, so she is the only one responsible. Once you have added Sana, you must also do a second, so you go in and you must press save. You must move the task into pending QA, okay? So we know that this task is not against you. That's my first tip. You have to make sure that these tasks, and once you've finished, it's not your responsibility, you must remove your name. Now, before you remove your name and do all this stuff, you must get credit for the fact that you worked on this task. So if you just remove your name and you don't put anything in the comments that you did something, you will not get credit for the task. So what does that mean? Like, you must go back into Basecamp. Once you finish your part of that task, you must go in, go all the way down to the comments section. So this is, I'm sorry, let me just go into the task more in detail. You must go into this task here. You must go down. You must add your screens here, like add your comment that you worked on this task, okay? And then you must allocate and assign over here to Sana. Otherwise, Sana will not know, Wakas will not know, whoever will not know, okay? But if you don't remember to comment about your part, you will not have any activity against you. That means that you missed out on opportunity to take credit for that task. So very important that you comment and then you shift the task to whoever is working on the task. This is not good enough just to notify Sana, because she might get the notification, she might not. It's not sitting on her stuff to do. So remove yourself once you're done and make the comment. Very important process. So hopefully you guys are clear on this. When you need someone in the team to do something for you, you are waiting for something and it's not in the task, please, or you are doing something extra that you haven't done, please create a task for yourself. Find where it sits. If you don't know where, you can always use the Rario one. Go into the to-do. Find where the right group, okay? Like, is it for, which thing is it for? Is it for a developer's task? Then go into the developer's task, go into this section and insert a to-do and do a test, like, you know, Navid, I need X from you, okay? Always put who you want it for, like Navid. When you need it done by, please be careful. You have to talk to the person before you allocate them a due date, get confirmation, or you can choose a future week if it's not urgent. And always write more and more detailed notes on what you exactly need from them. The more detailed, the better. And then add this as a to-do. And that person is now going to get that notification. So please work as a team, use Basecamp to notify people. It's very important that you understand this operation of how we are operating in this remote way. Anyone have any questions on that?
No, all clear.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, hopefully it helped you. I think it's going to cut out, so have a good day. And Wakasana Mohammed, like we're having a scrum. We're having a scrum.
Right after this?
One thing I want to tell to Sir Ismail that some tasks functionality is complete, but HTML part is pending in them. So I can't move them to pending QA section.
Yeah, like the Omar will do his part. Like you can use